Yes.
Hello my dear students. Again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. I hope you solve exercise 3.3. As I told you in previous video, today we will going to discuss, today we will going to see about the properties of multiplication. Okay. Properties of multiplication. As we saw the properties of addition, subtraction, likewise multiplication also having their own property. Understand? In this year we have four properties. Let's see one by one. We call it as a order property. Order property, or else another name is commutative property. Another name is commutative property. Right. Now what is order property? See, order property means if we change the order of a number, then also the product will remain same. If the two numbers are there, means we can multiply the given number in any order. Means first come second, or if you put instead of first second number, then also the product will remain same. Right? Let's see the order property. Let's have example, then your vision will be clear. Suppose 2 multiplied by 3 is the order. First 2, then 3. 2 3s are, what is answer? 6. Now what I will do? I will change the sequence. Instead of 2 I will write 3, and instead of 3 I will write 2. 3 multiplied by 2. What I did, I changed the order of a number. 2 की जगह 3 लिखा, 3 की जगह 2 लिखा. Then also see the product. 3 2s are 6. Now check if the product is same. Yes. Means if we change the sequence or order of a number, then also the product will remain same. This is called a commutative property or order property. Let's take another example. Again your vision will be clear. 512 multiplied by 4, suppose. Now multiply. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, and 4 5s are 20. Now 2048. Now what I will do? I will change the order of a number. Instead of this 512, I will write 4, and instead of 4 I will write 512. Now multiply again. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, or 512 4s are 2048. Is the product same? Yes. This is called commutative property or order property. Understand? Means it will change the sequence or order of a number, then also the product remains same. Understand? Now this is one property. Property number 2. Second property, grouping property. grouping property. What is grouping property? The product of three numbers does not change when we group them differently. When we group them differently. What is grouping property? The product of three numbers does not change when we group them differently. Means, let's take one example, means your idea will be clear. For example, see, simple, 12 multiplied by 4, okay, 5, this is in one bracket, multiplied by 4. Now see, 12, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 2. 12, 5 and 4. Now what I will do? What I will do here? I will change I will write 12 here, multiplied by, in bracket I will write 5 multiplied by 4. Or else what I will do? I will write first 12 multiplied by 4 in bracket, then multiplied by 5. Understand? Then also see the answer. What I will do? I will write 12 multiplied by 4 in bracket, multiplied by 5. Then also see the answer. Now 12, first we are solving in bracket, 12 multiplied by 5, 12 5 are 60, क्या आया 60 multiplied by 4. Now 60 multiplied by 4, 4 0 are 0, 4 6 are 24, 240. Now we will see here answer is 240. Solve this. 12 as it is, multiplication sign as it is. Solve this bracket first. 5 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. Now 12 zeros are 0, 12 2s are 24. What is the answer? The product 240. 240. Now solve this one. First bracket 12 4s are 48. Multiplied by 5 is equal to, solve 48 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40, 0, carry 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. Now focus on the product. In bracket 12 multiplied by 5, bracket complete, multiplied by 4, the product is 240. Here 12 multiplied by, in bracket 5 multiplied by 4, here also the product is 240. And here third one example same, 12 in bracket 12 multiplied by 4. Here what we did, इधर हमने क्या किया, यहाँ ये 12 और ये लास्ट नंबर, फर्स्ट नंबर लास्ट नंबर पहले लिया, उसके बाद में मिडिल नंबर लिया. Here then also the answer is, the product is 240. See the answer, the product, see the product is the same. It means if we group them differently, then also the product remains same. The product does not change. This is the grouping property. Understand? Grouping property. Okay. Now, next property. See, depend on these properties. Next exercise is that. So, learn the property, understand well. Otherwise, you will not able to solve the exercise. Depend on the properties. Understand? Okay. Now, next property, property of 1. Third property. Property of 1. Now what is the property of 1? The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Is the number itself. Now, what is the meaning of this? Let's say example means your idea will be clear. Now 3934 multiplied by 1. The product of a number and 1. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Means इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? सेम नंबर आएगा जो नंबर से हम 1 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सी 1 4 जा 4, 1 3 जा 3, 1 9 जा 9 and 1 3 जा 3. Now check 3934. 3934. It means if we multiply a number by 1 or 1 to any number, if you multiply 1 to a number or a number by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Let's take another example. Is your again idea will be clear. 7,39,400 multiplied by 1. See, 1 0 za 0, 1 0 za 0, 1 4 za 4, 1 9 za 9, 1 3 za 3 and 1 7 za 7. See the product is the number itself. 7,39,400, 7,39,400 is the number same? Yes. This is called a property of 1. Understand? Now last property, property of 0. Fourth property, property of 0. Very easy. The product of a number and 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. What is the meaning of this? The product of a number and 0 means if you multiply 0 to any number or any number to 0, the answer will be the number of the 0 itself. Let's take one example. 63,476 multiplied by 0. What will be the product? 0. See, 0 6 the 0, 0 7 the 0, 0 4 the 0, 0 3 the 0, and 0 6 the 0. What is the product or answer? 0. Means if you multiply 0 to any number to 0, the answer or the product will remain 0. Understand? These are the multiplication properties. Got it? I hope you learn these properties. First property, order property, or we call it as a commutative property. Right? Means if we change the order of a number, then also answer or product remains same. 2 3s or 3 2s, same answer. Okay. Second property, grouping property. The three numbers are there. You can change the sequence of the number, order of a number, then also the product will remain same. Third property, property of 1. If you multiply 1 to any number or any number to 1, the answer will be the number itself. The product क्या आएगा? वही number आएगा. और last property, zero property, property of 0. 0 किसी नंबर को हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. Understand? Okay. Learn the properties. Next we will see another video. Okay. Till then, thank you.